What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send an email to undisclosed recipients in your Gmail, right? So that's basically if you want to send email to one or many other recipients and you don't want them to see, and you don't want the recipient from the to field to see who else you're sending the email to. So let me go ahead and show you how this is done. So let me go into my Gmail here, and then once you're inside your email, you want to go ahead and click on compose your email. Let me go ahead and maximize this so that you can see more. Now guys, then let's say you have the email address here to the person that you want to send to. So I'll put myself for example, and also you want to send an email to another email address that you don't want this person to see it. So all you have to do is just simply click on the BCC here on the top right hand side, and you want to put that email into this list here. So once you put that email into this list here, it simply means that this person, the to field, will not be able to see that the email is also sent to this person here. Pretty straightforward thing guys, and I really hope that you found it useful. So once you do, just go ahead and fill in your subject, fill in your email information, and then you want to just simply go ahead and hit the send button to send your email. And that's all there is to it guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.